everybody, it is April and I am in my craft room. Peanut and I, doesn't she look excited? We are very excited because we're on row 7, which is the last row of the quilt. So we're going to make our blocks. We'll have all the rows done, and the next time we get back together, then we will be sewing rows together and making an actual quilt. Let's get started. We are on block 37, which is 6 and 1. And I have a feeling that I'll probably have to do some improvising, but that's okay. So here we go. 6 and 1. Block 37. Alright, the next one, 7 and 3. Another big one. Ooh, this might be my favorite row yet. Alright, last of material 3. Ooh. Block number 38. 39, 4 and 5. 4. Okay, you're going over here. And 5. Block 39. Okay, block 40. 2 2s. 4 5s and 2 1s. 2 1s. 5. Exactly 4. Okay, so we have 5, 2, 5, 1, 1, 2, whoops, this is 5, 1. Wait a minute. This is 2. This is 2. 2, 5, 5, 1, 2, 5, 5, 1. All right. Okay, let's put these two together. So let's nest these two together. Dead on. Block 40. Block 41. 7s and 1s. So 4 7s. 1, 2, 3, 4 7s. And 1, 2, 3, 4 1s. Just enough. Alright, so I'm just going to, before I lay it out, I'm actually just going to sew these together because it's all 1 7 1 7. Now I've got 1 7, and the top is going to go towards the right, like this. And then I have 7 1. Top's going to go to the right, like that. Then I've got 1 7, and this is going to go to the left. And then I've got 7 1, and it is going to go to the left as well. So there we go. Let's go to the right. So 1. All mess these together. Block 41. Okay. Our last block is 4 and 6. We are ending on a good note. Okay, block 42, the end. And what I have left over, is a stack of these, which pretty sure I did that wrong. That's it. Pretty cool. Okay, yay! We have done all of our blocks. So let's go through our blocks one more time. This is block 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, and 42. Ha! Cannot believe we finally made it through the whole quilt. So, what we do next is, here are the instructions, and what it's going to do is tell me how to do row 1, row 2, step by step, putting sewing all of those blocks together. So, wow. I am so excited that this has gone this far. It's only taken me since December. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're as excited as I am. If you didn't join us from the beginning, click up here. You can go up here or up here. You can go find the video. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe if you want to see more. Share with your friends. And have a great day. Say something nice to somebody and eat some chocolate. Now, I have someone who wants to do a show and tell. Alright. Here you go.
I cannot do anything because I can.
Alright. Say bye.
Bye.